Good morning, students. In the previous class, we did that one exercise 3C. Today we are doing that exercise 3D. This is also the square root, finding of square root only. Find the square root of 2.89. Always you have to follow that one solution. 2.89. You have to find the square root of 2.89. Always you have to follow that one division method only in this class. Try to do that one in division method only. Doing in division method 2.89, giving of bars. Decimal point is there. Forget about decimal and make it as bars. 1. So here pairs. Forming a pairs back to front. First forget about the point. First forget about the point. Now reading of square table. 1. Ones are 1. Only it is possible with 1. So write it as 1. 1. Drop the set of 89. Double the quotient. 1 will become 2. Side of 2 we have to give the number. I am giving that one 2, 5 into 5. 5 by is 25, 125. So go for the next number. 2, 6, 6. This 2 is the quotient and this is 6 into 6. We are writing that one same giving number. 6, 6 are 12, 2, 6 are 12, 132. It is not possible. Go for the next number. 27 into 7. That means 2. Read it as 2, 7 into 7. 7 7 are 49, 7 2 is 14, 189. It is the result for 189. Write it as 7, 7. Answer is 0. Therefore, square root of 2.89 is equal to 17 is the answer for this one. But the decimal point is there. Our decimal point is given for the term. How many pairs are formed after the decimal point? After the decimal point, how many pairs are formed? That many numbers we have to keep that point. Here only one pair is found, so keep that one digit point. Keep that one digit as point. So now the answer for the sum is 1.7. Answer for the sum is 1.7. Here is our next sum. See that solution. Square root of 156.25. So making in the form of division method. 156.25. Form it as a base. First forget about the point and make it as base. Last 2 and the next 2. It is left like this. Now make it as, write it as 1, 1, 1, 0. Drop the set of 56. After dropping the set, what we have to do? We have to do that one quotient double. The double of quotient is 2. 1, 1, 2. Now giving of sign of 2. 5 times means normally we did that one 25 times 125. So it is not possible for 5 times. Start with 1 time. 2, 1 into 1. 1, 2. Not nearest one. Go for the next number. 2, 2 into 2. This 2 is called double of quotient. This 2 is called given number. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. 2 is the double of quotient. Giving of 3, 3. 3 3 is 9. 2 3 is 6. 16 is more. How many times you have to take? This is 44. That is 2 times. 2, 2. 44. Do the subtraction. Do the subtraction. Subtraction of this one. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 1, 1. What the set? 25. Now double the quotient. 12 double is 12 plus 12, 24. 12 plus 12, 24. 12 plus 12, 24. This is 12 plus 12 is 24. Now giving the number. For the 24 I am giving that 5. Always I will start with 5. So 5 5 is 25. 4 5 is 20, 22. 5 2 is 10, 12. It is for 5 times 5, 5. 1, 2, 2, 5. 0. Now the quotient here. Quotient got the one 1, 2, 5. Write that sum. Therefore, root of 156.25 is equal to 156.25 is equal to 125. Now coming to the point. How many digits after point you have to keep that one? After the decimal. Not how many bars are formed. 2 bars are formed. But we should not take the 2. We have to take after the decimal how many points are there. After decimal only 1 bar. That means only 1 pair is formed after decimal. So after 1 digit back to front 1 digit. Therefore answer is 12.5. 12.5. Here is our next sum, that is 18.1476. So this is square root of, we are doing the solution. Square root of 18.1476, that is 18.1476 Doing in square root division method. Doing square root in division method. Giving of parts back to front. 2, 2, 2. Each and every 2 lines, that is from back to front always. So taking the ones here, taking square table. 1 1 1, 2 2 4, 3 3 9, 4 4 16, 5 5 25. So only 4 times is possible. 4 4s are 16. Subtraction 2 from the set 14. Now double the quotient. Double of quotient is 4 double is 8. 4 double is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we have to take that one. Side of 8 we have to give the number. So I am starting always with 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 is 40, 42, which is so much more. So go for the last numbers. I am starting with 2. 8, 2, 2. 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 164. 8, 3, 3. 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24. 249 is more, so we have to take the only 2 times, that is 164. 2 times 164. 2 times 2 times 164. Why we have to take that one like that means because of that one taking that table, taking of table, square table, we have to follow that one square table and we have to write. Now 8, that 8 is called that double of quotient. 8 is called that double of quotient. The quotient is 4, so double is 8. So it is multiplied for 2 times. We got that one 2 times is that answer. So now here subtraction, do the subtraction. 0, 11, 11 minus 6, 5. So 0, drop the set. 76. Now double the quotient. 42 will become 42, 42. 84. 42, 42 is 84. 42, 42 addition. 4, 8. That is called double of quotient. 42, 42. Why this 42 is there? This 42 belongs to here. This quotient. This quotient is double that one's 84. So this 84 beside we have to give the number. I am giving the number beside that number 84. Giving of number. Which number you can give that means previously I said that one. The last digit is 6. 6 is coming for which ones? 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. So write it as 4, 4. Check that ones. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17, 8 4s are 32, 33. Not nearest one. So go for next one. 4 completed. 5 5s are 25, don't take. 6 6 are 36. So 6 is coming from 36. Write it as 8, 4, 6, 6. 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24, 27, 6 8 are 48, 49, 50. So it is 5076. Subtraction is 0. Therefore, how many times? 6 times. 6 6. Therefore, root of 18.1476 is equal to 426. Now, giving up the decimal point. Giving out decimal point. How to give the decimal point? In this sum, after the decimal, it is formed only one bar. That means one pair after one digit. After the decimal point, only one pair. So after one digit. Here also, after the decimal point, how many pairs are formed? After the decimal point, 2 pairs are formed. So back to front, after 2 digits, you have to keep the point. That is, answer is 4.26. This is about the sum here. Okay, see the sums once. So here is another model of sums. Find the square root of 3 13 by 36, which is given in the form of mixed fraction. So we are changing the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Solution. First sum is this. First sum. 36 threes. 36 threes. 108. 36 into 3. It is 6 these are 18. 108. For this 108 we have to add 13. 1 1 2 1. That is 121 by 36. For this 121 by 36, we have to make it as square root. How this 121 came is 36 is 108 plus 13, that is 121. Now we have to find the square root for numerator and denominator. 121 in the division method, 36 in division method. Directly also you can find that one. Taking of bars, 1 comes are 1, 1, 0. Drop the set of 21. 1 will become 2, 1 time 21, 0. 6 bar 6 6 are 36, 0. In this method you can do, or directly you can write it as Directly you can write it as 121 square root is 121 square root is this will apply like this. Root of 121 and root of 36. The root of 121 is 11. Root of 36 is 6. Changing into mixed fraction 1 pi by 6. 1 pi by 6. 11 times 6 times 6 1 are 6. So remaining is 5. Now coming to this sum. See this third sum. 3942 by 2209. So mixed fraction we have to change into the improper fraction. So that is 2209 into 3. 9 3s are 27. 2 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And numerator we have to add 542 addition. 9 6 plus 4 2 here 5 1 7 75 69. So that is solution 75695209 root of. So for this one we have to find the square root in the division method 7569, making a space back to front 75 8 8 are 64 9 9 are 81. So only 7 reading of square table. Now once you can see here 2023 and this 149 is 75692209. So here 7569 taking off bars making a space 75 taking off 75 reading of square table 4 4s are 16 5 5s are 25 6 6s are 36 7 7s are 49 8 8s are 64 9 9s are 81. So it is more. Take it as only 8 times. 8 8s are 64. Doing subtraction. So subtraction 15 minus 9 15 minus 4 15 minus 4. So that is 1 subtraction 1 1 drop the set 69. 8 will become 16. For the 16 side you have to give the number 3 3. 3 3s are 9 6 3s are 18. 3 1s are 3. So for this 3 it is not possible. Write it as for 1677. 7 7s are 49. 6 7s are. So 7 7s are 49. 6 7s are 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 6 7 1 are 7 plus 1 11. 1169 for 7 times. 7 times 0. For this one is over. Now the denominator is having that one 2209. Make it as base. Reading of square table 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So only 4 times it is possible. 4 4s are 16. Subtraction 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It is 6 of the set 0 9. 4 will become 16. So 16 side we have to give that number. 16 side we have to give that number 3 3. These are 9, 6 3s are 18, 3 1s are 3. Plus 4, 489. It is not possible. So see here once. So 4 double is 8. Right here 8. 4 double is 8. Side of 8 we have to give the number. I am giving 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 8 3s are 24. Which is not nearest one. Go for the next two. 9 is coming for again 7. 8 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 8 7s are 66. 56 60. 6 not 9. That is for 7 times 609. So subtraction is 0. Now the sum is said as like this. Root of 7569 by root of 2209, which is equal to 87 by 47. 87 by 47. This is by 609 answer is 87. This is 2209 answer is 47. So we have to take that one subtraction here. After taking that one side, we have to change into mixed fraction. With the 47 table, 87 is 1 time. 40. It is 7. 4. So 0 4. Answer is 140 by 47. Answer is 140 by 47. These are the models of the sums. Changing of mixed fraction, finding the numerator and finding the denominator we have to do, and we have to solve that answer. Taking of numerator, taking of denominator, and we have to do that sum. Another model of sums is there here. We are having that ones that we'll see by tomorrow. We see here this 1, 6, 121 is 11 times, 36 is 6 times. We did separately. In this sum, this is 7 by 6 9, answer is 87, and this 2209 answer is 47. So here 40 by 76. Once see here one thing, observe that once. You have to observe here one thing. What is that one thing you have to observe here is C1s. 1 1 are 1, 2 2 are 4, 3 3 are 9, 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25, 6 6 are 36, 7 1 are 49, 8 8 are 64, 9 9 are 81, and 100. So this is about that square roots. Square table 1 4 9 6 5 6 9 4 1 0. These are the roots. Here also directly by it means 7 times 7 times. The 9 is coming for 3 and 6 for 7. 3 and 7. So directly I wrote that one like that. Now here is the next sum, C1s. Okay. See this sum. Root 243 by root 867. Before doing all the sums, we have to decide in which method we have to do. Either in square root division method or in prime factor method, we have to see that ones. How to see that one means checking on the last digit. The last digit is 3 and 7. In our square table, the 3 and 7 is not possible in any sum. How it is means? See here, everybody once. Last digit 3. 243 in 243, last digit is 3. Here in our square table, 3 is not there as the last digit. 7. 7 is also not formed as the last digit. So we cannot take that one in the square root division method. We have to go through the prime factor method for easily. So taking out 243 in prime factor method, 243 in prime factor method. Here I am not choosing square root division method because of that condition. Last number is 3, last number is 7. So according to that one, we have to follow that once. So 3 table I am taking 81 times. 3 table 27 times. 3 table 9 times. 3 table 3 times. 3 table 1 time. So 867 also I am writing 867. Which is possible in 3 table or not check once. 8 plus 7 66. 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 6 21. It is possible in 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So 26. 26 means 8 3s are 24. 9. Which is not possible in any table. 17 table. 17 17s. So that is 17 table 1 time. Making of the roots. How to find the square root division method is like this. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 square root of 3 into 17 into 17. 17 into 17. That is root of 243 by root of 867 is equal to. The root of 243 is here. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. Root of 867 is equal to number. So here we are having that. So taking of square root here. Now making of ways. So according to the previous sum, whole root will get for us. Whole root. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times you have to write. 5. Denominator is 3 into 17 into 17. So 3 will cancel. Make it as base. That is 3 into 3 by 17. Only 2 brackets are there. 2 brackets will use 1 bracket and the prime factor method. So 3 into 3 by denominator 17. 3 3s are 9 by 17. The answer for this sum, therefore, root of 243 by root of 867 is equal to 9 by 17. This is the answer for this sum. Once again, see this question here, everybody. In the previous sum, I took the square root division method. In this sum, I took the prime factor method. What is the difference means? See the last digit, 3 and 9. The last digit is not possible here means we have to go with that prime factor method. Going with the prime factor method, 243 taking the prime factor method, 5 times 3 came and 867 is 2 times came. So 3 will cancel. Answer is 9 by 17. Here is the sum for us to do. See once this sum. to this sum. This is given with multiplication evaluate. Given evaluate. Writing of that one 147. In prime factor method I am doing that one because of 7 is not possible. So write that one with 147. Taking off 3 table. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 27 9 times. 7 table 7 times. 7 table 1 time. This 243 is now only we did that sum. That's why I am doing here. 3 table 81. 3 table 27 times. 3 table 9 times. 3 table 3 times. 3 table 1 time. So this 147 is how it came? This root of 147, that is 3 into 7 into 7. 3 into 7 into 7. 243 is 5 times. Into this root of 243 is root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times you have to write that one root. Now forming a space 2 2 2 2 2 2. And this one's root of a into b formula is here. Root of a into root b is equal to root of ab. We have to make it as root under multiplication. So direct root we have to keep it 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into separate we are having this 3 and this 3. 3 into 3. First root 3 and second root 3. Put the bracket for the ones. That is 7 into 3 into 3 into 3. 7 3 is 9 and 3 is 27. So 27 into 7. 27 into 7. 7 7 are 49. 7 2 are 14. 14 plus 4 18. 14 plus 4 18. Answer is 189. Therefore root of 147 into root of 243 is equal to 189. 189. Like this, you have to do this sum. See this sum. So with this sum, today's class is completed. Thank you for today. I am giving that homework also. You have to do that once.